In this video, we're going to discuss technical and non-technical skills that a web designer has to possess in order to save you time and money. Hi everyone, and welcome back to part 4 of 6 on why you need a web designer. These skills are in no particular order, but can help you make up your mind on whether you would like to learn them or you would like to hire someone who already has a stunning portfolio. A web designer's job begins when choosing a hosting company. This is where we guide you as a client to check out these: security features, can it handle e-commerce, loading times, server location, pricing, number of users. This may indicate if they are able to control traffic or not for support and aftercare. Time management and communication skills. Before we even decide on how long the project will be completed, we first look at the scope of work, and this is mostly decided by how quickly the client supplies us with information about their website. Then we figure out how we're going to use text, images, and videos that are too small or too big for the web or project. We have to communicate with clients with options such as resizing them or using different software, replace with stock images or videos, or perhaps use different ones that they are going to offer us. We don't just decide for clients. These include identifying and analyzing problems, brainstorming to find the perfect solution, reaching a consensus and assigning roles, then iteration and feedback. Then we use programming languages to make your site mobile friendly. Here we use CSS media queries to apply different styling for small and large screens. Setting large absolute CSS widths for page elements will cause the elements to be too wide for the viewport on a smaller device. Instead, we consider using relevant width values such as width 100%. Here we use a script or HTML design to enable websites to function on different web browsers available in the market. SSL certificates are used to secure online transactions and keep customers' information private and secure. This is a technique on JavaScript that redirects search engines and people to a different URL than the original. We use sitemaps during the planning of a website. They are typically hierarchical of the pages on a site, and they are structured listings intended for web crawlers such as search engines. Hypertext markup language is a programming language and a standardized system for tagging text files to achieve font, color, graphic, and hyperlink effects on worldwide web pages. Cascading style sheet is a style sheet language used for describing the presentation of a document written in a markup language such as HTML or XML. It is a cornerstone technology for the World Wide Web alongside with HTML and JavaScript. JavaScript is used to create dynamic and interactive web content applications and browsers. JavaScript is the most popularly used client-side programming language by 97% of all websites in the world. Now let's talk about using design software. These can be divided to code-free web design software. These tools don't require you to write any code and are typically user-friendly. Code editing platforms, you'll need to have some coding skills to use these tools, but they give you more control over the design process. Graphic design software for mockups and prototypes. These tools can be used to create mockups and prototypes, but may also have some web design features. Web designers also ensure that websites load quicker. As people who visit the internet have a short attention span, nobody has the time for a website that loads slowly. So we optimize your website so that you don't lose clients. Accessibility refers to your site being inclusive to those who have hearing impairments, where we include closed captioning, subtitles, or voiceovers. Remember that accessibility is inclusivity, and inclusiveness can ensure that your website ranks higher. Website maintenance includes tasks like monitoring your web traffic, updating content, and ensuring that the website is secure. An unmaintained website is more likely to be hacked and penetrated due to its weaker and less secure codes and modules. If you don't update your codes and your security protocols, you will be in a bad situation. A web designer can also help you keep your website up to date and running smoothly. This can save you time and money compared to trying to handle it yourself or hiring multiple people to handle different tasks. Our design expertise don't just end there. We also do business design, where we help organizations to develop a solution with a customer-centric focus. Enterprise design is the merging of the disciplines of service design, information management, and enterprise architecture. Product design is the process of imagining, creating, and iterating products that solve users' problems or address specific needs in a given market. Execution design is where we put together a technically sound, completely coordinated, and fully scoped out set of documents. In conclusion, hiring a web designer can save you time and money in the long run. We have the expertise to design a professional website that is user-friendly, and we can handle the technical aspects of freeing up your time to focus on other aspects of your business. So don't hesitate to reach out to a web designer today and make the first step towards creating a successful online presence. On the next video, I'll be sharing how to make your website mobile friendly. So please don't forget to subscribe and comment on how these videos have helped you, and you can also give me some tips on how I can improve these videos. Thank you.